We've all heard that God is with us during the difficult times of life, that He's going to take what we're going through and use it for His purposes, and that something amazing is going to come out of it. But what if you could actually see it? What if you could see things from heaven's perspective? What if you could hear God in the midst of your difficult circumstances and experience Him giving your heart what it truly desires? How would that change your life? Living from the Heart is a 3.5-day workshop that helps you understand how God is using everything you experience to move you towards your destiny. You will come away feeling equipped in how to meet God in the midst of suffering, how to reframe circumstances to help you and others see things from heaven's perspective. You'll understand the process God takes people through to prepare them for their calling, and you'll learn transformational coaching techniques that bring life in the midst of pain. I hope you can join us.